We're in Hillsborough here today doing this renovation project for our client. We're spraying Icynene LDC 50 to the complete underside of the floors. Let's go and see how the guys are getting on. Icynene spray foam insulation, when applied between the floors, will give you excellent sound reduction. If you have a project you'd like our sales team to have a look at, get in contact with Gary and the team and they'll be more than happy to help you. Whether it's a new build, renovation, commercial building, or even upgrading your existing home, get in contact.